Understanding micronutrient deficiencies.
Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals your body needs in small amounts for good health. Deficiencies can cause fatigue, weakened immunity, or other health issues. The most common deficiencies include iron, vitamin D, vitamin B12, calcium, and iodine. Recognizing symptoms or getting blood tests can help you identify if you have a deficiency that needs correction.
Step 1. Confirm the deficiency.
Never self-diagnose. See a healthcare professional for appropriate testing if you suspect a deficiency. Blood tests or a thorough dietary review can confirm what's missing in your diet. Proper diagnosis helps avoid unnecessary or excessive supplementation, which can sometimes cause harm instead of benefit.
Step 2. Boost micronutrients with food.
Prioritize whole foods rich in the specific micronutrient. For example, iron sources include lean red meat, beans, and spinach. For vitamin D, try fatty fish, eggs, or fortified milk. Eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to naturally increase your nutrient intake and support overall wellness.
Step 3. Use supplements responsibly.
If your healthcare provider recommends supplements, follow their guidance on the type, amount, and duration. More isn't always better. Overdosing on supplements can be harmful. Only use products from reputable sources and avoid combining supplements unless advised by a professional. Routine follow-up can help track your progress and adjust your plan if needed.
Step 4. Monitor progress and adjust habits.
Track your symptoms and follow up with your healthcare provider after making changes. Retesting may be needed to confirm your deficiency has resolved. Make lasting modifications to your dietary and lifestyle habits to help prevent future deficiencies, such as balanced meal planning, regular physical activity, and sun exposure if needed for vitamin D.